Hey guys, this is Barry from MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey, here to give you a quick walkthrough here on this 2018 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. This boat is outfitted with twin Mercury Verado 225s, okay, white hull, dune interior. Currently does not have the infinity woven vinyl flooring in, but that's what it does have, the brown flooring here. This boat has the aft sun lounger, okay. Walking into the boat, premium sound system, cockpit refrigerator, okay, wet bar. This boat does have the shore power option, so it has a battery charger in it as well. Your batteries are located back here, okay. Because it is the outboard model, you get a massive storage here in the back and a full pass-through for water skis, wakeboards, tubes. With the SDX model, you have these flip-flop seats for both the captain and co-captain here. Flip-up bolsters, and the seat also slides forward and back for visibility. Simrad display. You can see the engine hours there, 124 hours on each engine. Moving forward, storage under all the seats, hinged, storage in the deck, fore and aft. Two positions for your tables, one forward, one aft. The 29 SDX also has recessed windlass here. This one has a galvanized anchor. Okay. The 290 has a pretty spacious head here to port. Nice upgraded upholstery and a freshwater sink with shower head also. This one does have the sport arch with collapsible bimini if you wanted a little more sun, but you also have a tow point here if you wanted to pull a tube or skis. Again, this is a 2018 Sea Ray SDX 290 outboard in Brick, New Jersey. Have a great day.